Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I'll show you how to generate leads using the opt-in form builder on your website. In a previous video, I demonstrated how to collect leads via Messenger and Instagram. In this video, we'll focus on how to collect lead directly from your website visitors with the help of our opt-in form. With our opt-in form, the lead collected can be sent to your Zebrabuzz account to be used later for email or SMS marketing automation. In addition, you can run Facebook and Instagram lookalike campaign and retargeting. Before we begin, make sure you have a Zebrabuzz account and that your Facebook or Instagram account is connected to Zebrabuzz. If you haven't done this yet, please watch the video linked in the description for a step-by-step guide on setting up your account and connecting it to Zebrabuzz. Once that's done, follow these steps. On the left sidebar of your Zebrabuzz dashboard, click on Broadcasting. You'll see this screen displaying right now. Click on Opt-in Form Builder. On the Form Builder page that appears, click the Create Opt-in Form button. A new form template will open. You'll need to fill the form. Most entries are mandatory, while a few are optional. Start by giving your form a name. Next, select or create a contact group. This helps you organize your contacts. Also, the data submitted via the form will be stored in the group they belong. You can even add multiple groups if you want to. You can set up your email and SMS sequences, but since this is optional, I'll skip that for now. Choose your form display type. Could be pop-up, fixed, or direct URL. For this tutorial, I'll choose the pop-up option, and I've set the delay time to 2 seconds. Select where you want the form to pop up on the web page. I choose Center. Next, you'll have to choose how to respond after user submits the form. You can choose a message response. Here, I will choose Set Redirect URL. Then I need to provide a URL of perhaps a thank you page. This will help me track the number leads I generate via this opt-in from. You can upload your form background image. It will make your form look more professional. You also have the option to enable a country code for phone numbers and to use a double email opt-in for verification purposes. But I'll skip that for now. You can now design the form using a drag and drop style to add input fields based on the data you want to collect. Start by adding a header, the title of your form. We recommend using H2, H3, or H4 for your header type, not H1. So I choose H2. My header title will be Grow Your Business Now. Next, I'll love to add a paragraph section, so I dragged and dropped that here. Now I'll write a bit more information about the form. Say, step-by-step AI-powered social media growth strategy. Please note that you'll need to add your HTML header tag here to make this page look better. I'll like mine to be H3. You can format yours how you like. Just drag the rest of the form fields you want to. Make sure the agreement box is checked for data protection. Edit your button and give it the name and the color you prefer. I'll show you how this works later. At this point, let's save. Your form has now been successfully created. To view the form, go to the Action section and click the I button, View Form. Here is the new form you've just created. Let's now add this form to your website. To do this, we need to copy the form's embed code, which is the code you see here. Copy and paste this code to the page where you want the form to be displayed. My website is in WordPress Divi. I'll now go to the page I want the form to display. Click on Enable Visual Builder so I can edit the page. I can select any section of the page I like. Click the gear button to open the Code Settings content window. Now I will paste the embed form code I copied into the code field, then save. I will exit the page builder and refresh the page. Great! The form shows up at the center as we set it to do. Let's now fill the form as a user would. Oh, it looks like the Submit button is not visible. In this case, go back to the opt-in form builder on Zebrabuzz and edit the form. Simply change the button color to make it more visible. After saving the changes, go back and refresh your website. Yes, the button is now showing correctly. We have a fully functional opt-in form on the site. When users visit your website, they will fill out the form and submit their details. Once they submit them, they'll see the thank you page we set earlier. Your data is now ready for future marketing campaigns, email outreach, and more. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Visit our website or contact our support team if you need further assistance.